Hey, let me show you how you can use Maps navigation on the HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 Pro. So first of all, you will have to start by opening Health application on your watch and go to the app gallery. And you have to be sure that you download this application called Petal Maps. And also be sure that you update this application to the latest version. Next, when it is actually updating on your phone, you will have to download Petal Maps. So we can try to do this by using Google Play Store. Input that phrase, Petal Maps, there we go, and try to get it. In my case, it's not working because I got Android 16, so it's not supported anymore, but there's some kind of the bypass for this one. So you can use the Google Chrome or basically any other browser and input that phrase in your browser, Petal Maps, and you can still try to download it through your Play Store, but as you can see, I've got still this notification that it's only for an older version of Android. But also you can try to do this by using the Huawei website. So you can go into the official Huawei website and you can try to install it right here. In my case, it's also not working for some reason, so there's another workaround for this one. You will have to find this website up to down, and here we can find APK file of the Petal Maps. So we have to just go for it, and right now you will have to go for this one to get the latest version. You will have to click right here. If there's some kind of the ad, you will have to close it, and now you will have to search for an installation button. It should be available somewhere here. Here you can find the download button, and you will have to just click on it and download. Now, when the download is finished, you will have to go into the downloads on your phone. So in my case, I've got the Google files. I have to go for the downloads, and right here, wait a minute, I just misclick for some kind of the music. So I'm gonna turn it off. There we go. So go for the downloads, and you have to just install this Petal Maps. So that's how it looks one by one. You have to allow installation from this source. You have to just install it, and that's basically it. Now when you got this application on your phone, you can just simply open it and just be patient and wait for it. I'm gonna show you just step by step how you can do this. You have to accept the user agreement and stuff like this, just everything that will pop up on your screen. If you are wondering what kind of the map it is, that's actually the Huawei Maps. And there's your location. So if I want to navigate somewhere, let's say that I want to go to Germany, and here, as you can see, I've got my directions, so I have to click on it, and I can choose my navigation method by car, by bus, by foot, or by bike, for example. Now, of course, in my case, it's too far away, so I can go by car in this case, and I have to click start. And now when I start navigating, I will have to actually go into the watch, and we have to open Petal Maps like this. And now we got this prompt, then we have to synchronize navigations to our watch. So click allow, just like this. And now as you can see, we got navigation on our watch. And this is the only way to use the Maps navigation on this device. You cannot use Google Maps or stuff like this.